Hey everybody, Hurricane Rip here. Today is January 19th, 2020. I couldn't sleep and I was thinking about something. So I figured I would ask you guys if you went to Bible school when you were kids. Did you guys know about the first flood? I'm not talking about Noah's flood. I'm talking about the very first flood. Well, guess what? I found the first flood. I'm going to show you in the book of Genesis. Now, I'm reading out of the King James Version. It's right here. It says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters." Wait a minute. Face of the waters. That means the whole earth is flooded. How could that be? It just is. It says it right there. I'm going to show you later on in the scripture that God does separate the water and the land. Therefore, the earth is flooded. Well, scientists have dug up these underground remains, and they have discovered that there has been human life way before us, called cavemen. And the atheists like to argue the fact that, oh, well, there's no God. We're all just here. Humans just developed over the years. Well, they're partially right. We humans have developed over the years. If you guys heard that, excuse me. I just let one go. Anyhow, us humans have improved over the years through God's way. Now, you Bible people are probably thinking, well, if there's cavemen back in the day, how... You guys are all probably thinking, how does this all tie in together? Well, see, there was cavemen, there were dinosaurs, long before Adam and Eve came onto the earth. It's just a proven fact. You can dig up all kinds of dinosaur bones. There were dinosaurs on this earth. God created them. It says it right here. It says, hold on, let me refocus this for you. It says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." Okay? He created the earth. Therefore, dinosaurs existed. Therefore, cavemen existed. Well, it clearly states right there in verse 2, the earth was without form and void, and darkness was on the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters, meaning the earth was flooded. So this here is the first flood, and I'm going to prove it to you. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light, and God saw the light was good, and God divided light from darkness, which is also why, ladies and gentlemen, we have night and day. Science and God tie in together. Our planet rotates around the sun. Therefore, when your side of the earth is dark, you're facing away from the sun. Therefore, it's nighttime where you're at. And when it's daytime, you're facing toward the sun. That's basic science. Wow. Look at that snowstorm. I'm still going to church tomorrow. I don't care. Anyways. Sorry, I get easily distracted. So yeah. There was a flood before Noah's. The very first flood, right here in Genesis. You can get, if you don't have a Bible, you can go get one from Walmart and look it up yourself. It's right here in the book of Genesis. First flood. God divided night and day. You know, dark from light. Again, common science. When the other half of the earth is facing away from the sun, that's darkness. Science and God tie in together. Ain't that cool? Okay, so let me see if I can get this to refocus. Okay. And God called the light day and the darkness night. He called night, so the evening and the morning were the first day. Then God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide waters from waters. Okay, and right there, that is why we have fresh water and salt water, and that's also why we have all kinds of different oceans. You get, correct me if I'm wrong on this, but we got 5 oceans. 5 or 4. Let's see. Thus, God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. And God called the firmament heaven. So the evening and the morning were the second day. Let's see, verse 9. Then God said, let the waters under the heaven be gathered together in one place, and let the dry land appear, and it was so. See, right there, that proves my point. And well, it proves what I'm talking about right there. The earth was flooded before Noah, right there in Genesis. Right between verse 1 and verse 9 in chapter 1 of So, yep. That was on my mind, and I wanted to make a video about it. So, any of you Bible scholars out there, or, or anybody that wants to learn about the Bible and all about Jesus, I'm gonna have Bible study videos like this. I bet you folks didn't know that there was that Noah's flood was technically the second flood. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hurricane Rip out for now. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.